How to turn off Instagram map feature. Hey everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off Instagram's new map feature. So if you don't want your location shared with anyone, follow along step by step to disable it. Alright, let's dive in. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on your inbox or messages icon at the top. You'll see a new map feature here. Tap the little gear icon up top to open its settings. If location sharing is turned on for anyone, tap to select No One. Make sure it stays on No One until you want to turn the map back on. But we're not done yet. Next, go to your phone settings. On iPhone or Android, find Privacy and Security, then Location Settings. Look for Instagram in the list and set location access to Don't Allow. This way, even if you accidentally turn location sharing on in the app, Instagram won't be able to see your location. And that's it. By doing both these steps, you're keeping your location private and secure.